Papalitin muna natin. We will have a game
Okay.
called Game of First. So, questions lang to. So, sasagutin mo lang siya ng mabilis. Ganun
Okay.
lang naman.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Okay, ready.
Okay. Our first question. What was your first camera or gadget sa Nice Print?
Nikon camera. We used to be a Nikon user. Yeah.
What was your first out-of-town project with Nice Print?
Out of town was, I think, USA.
When was the first time you kissed your husband? I love it.
Syempre 2000. Syempre 1999. Nung na-meet ko siya. Syempre
Ilang
after
years na
5
nga po
days.
kayong kasal?
After 5 days pala. Oh, di ba? Mag-asawa pa rin.
What is the first app you open in the morning?
Syempre Instagram.
Siyempre, titignan natin
Favorite.
ang posting ng Nice
Oo,
Print,
titingnan
diba?
natin kung nag-trending.
Oo.
Yeah.
Who is your first celebrity crush?
Crush?
Crush!
Nakakaloka. Brad